What is up, guys, and welcome back to another episode of Great Nate Adventures. And today, I'm heading to Gilbert, PA for their annual Redball Military Show. I recently done some maintenance to my M185 shop van right here, so I'll be taking that today. Alright, let's load up and head out. Oh, the neighbors are going to love this. Alright, we just built air pressure. Let's hit the road. Here's your 7 a.m. wake-up call.
Good morning, Vietnam!
Alright guys, we made it. Alright guys, so we made it to Gilbert. Just gonna let the turbo cool down for a few minutes and then we'll head on in. But first, let's open up some shades. Alright, that looks better. Yeah, parked next to my buddy's M818. Redball Express. Redball Highway. Keep 'em rolling. Here's some of my buddy's toys. He's got a husky, some weasels, and some mules. Man, I love these things. We've officially made it in.
Thank you very much. And I popped to the band, turned the AC on, turned back from, I didn't wake up.
How long would you be thinking?
And I'm like wide awake.
Winter grill cover for an M35A2. Here's your chance to buy a 905 ton. This thing is massive. The headlight comes up to my head. Look at this. Crazy. It's for sale.
On the title, they put AMG. That's all it's, you know, these older trucks.
Got some slave cables and some jerry cans. Got some people camping out back here. Another 5-ton. Got some M35s and a 5-ton over here. And got my buddy John's truck here, an M35A2. Here's another haul with vendors. Had a little bit of everything, even some G.I. Joes. I need some of these for my deuces.
But this young lady over here knows everything about these ropes. She'll tell you everything.
Sure.
Now the 5-ton, more modern one, they switched to the RT. See that? And that prevents that water from causing it to flat.
Here's my other buddy spot right here. Well, that's going to do it for this video. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.